Today I'll be showing you guys how to do this crazy grunge glitch effect inside of After Effects. Super easy to do, very fire effect. Very quickly guys, I checked my stats, 80% of you guys aren't subscribed to the channel. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button down below right now. It's free guys, free support. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. It's very important for my channel and it helps the YouTube algorithm push my videos out to other editors as well. So please guys, hit the subscribe button and like button down below. Thank you. With that being said, let's hop straight into After Effects. Now that we're inside After Effects, first thing we want to do is we want to create a solid. Let's go ahead and change the name of that solid layer to displacement so we know what we're working with. After you change the name, we're going to go to our effects and presets. We're going to go ahead and throw a fractal noise on top. Fractal noise is a very good effect to do displacement maps with. We're going to change this fractal type to subscale. We're going to change this noise type to block. Let's go ahead and change this contrast to about 370. We're going to head down to the transform. Let's bring down that scale. We're going to bring this up to about like 360. And now if I play it through, as you guys can see, it's static. It's not moving. So now we're going to animate this. So we're going to go over here to evolution. And when we spin it, as you guys can see, that's what gives us the movement. So we're going to go ahead and mess with this and animate it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to press Alt on our keyboard. And we're going to press on evolution. What that's going to do is it's going to bring up the expression tab so we could go ahead and animate it. We're going to type in posterized time, and what this is going to do is it's going to make a glitch type effect. Press enter. I'm going to put 8, then we're going to put a semicolon, and we're going to write time star 1200. And what this is going to do is it's going to animate the speed and make it faster. And now when we play it back, we have something like this. So now we get this cool displacement map. We're going to go ahead and increase the scale even more. Let's bring it to about 500. Looking pretty cool. Now let's bring that contrast up to about 700 as well. There you go. That's exactly what we want. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and hide this displacement map because we don't need to see it right now. Now we're gonna go to our bottom layer and we're gonna go ahead and throw on top time displacement. We're gonna go to time displacement layer. Make sure you change that to displacement. And the source, make sure you select effects and masks. And now when we play it back, you guys can already see we get that crazy glitch effect. I feel like it's too much of the default settings. So let's go ahead and change this max displacement time to 0.1. And now we play it back, we have something like this, and it's looking better already. This is pretty much the effect, guys. As you can see, you get this crazy grungy glitch effect already. Last thing we want to do is we're going to go back to our effects and presets. We're going to go ahead and search up hue and saturation. And now we're about to add some crazy colors to it as well. If we turn the wheel on the master here, you guys can see the colors change. So what we want to do is we're going to go to the channel range at the beginning of the clip. We're going to go ahead and keyframe that. We're gonna go about halfway of the clip. Let's go ahead and turn this wheel about 2 times. So 1, 2, and then we're gonna go towards the end, and we're gonna bring that value back down to 0 so it goes back into its original color. And now when we play it back, we have something like this. It's looking super fire, very crazy grungy effect to have. And now this is the final effect. That is the end of this tutorial, guys. It was a nice and quick one. If you got this far in the video, I gladly appreciate it. Like I said before, about 80% of you guys aren't subscribed, so go ahead, hit the subscribe button down below. You don't want to miss out on any tutorial that I drop on this channel. Also hit the like button, guys. It really motivates me to continue dropping tutorials for you guys. And it helps the YouTube algorithm push my videos out to other editors as well. And it's also free support, guys. So if you haven't subscribed or liked the video, go ahead and do it right now. Now's your time. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.